In this video, we will learn how to convert an improper fraction into fraction. So, suppose 17 upon 4. This is improper fraction. Now we have to convert into mixed fraction. So, first we have to divide 17 divided by 4. So, 4 4s are 16. 1 is remainder. Okay. So, what is the quotient? Quotient is 4. It means this is the whole part. So we can write it 4 as a whole. Then remainder, it becomes numerator. So 1 upon 4. So you can see denominator never change. Okay. So 17 upon 4 can be written as 4 1 by 4. We will take another example. Suppose 11 upon 3. Now you have to convert into mixed. So same procedure, 11 divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, remainder is 2, so it will be whole part, so 3 will be here and 2 becomes numerator and 3 denominator. So 11 by 3 can be written as 3 2 by 3. Now we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So 2 3 by 4, this is the mixed fraction. Now we have to convert into improper fraction. Okay. So there are two ways. First, it can be written as mixed fraction can be written as 2 plus 3 upon 4. Okay. Now you have to take LCM. So LCM is 4. Now we have to make denominator equal to the LCM, so we have to multiply by here 4, so it becomes 4, then 2 is multiplied by 4 plus 3, so it is 4 2s are 8 plus 3 divided by 4, so it will be 11 upon 4. Then second method, directly you can multiply this denominator with the whole. So whole is multiplied with denominator, it is 8 plus numerator, that is 3 divided by 4. So it will be 11 upon 4. So the formula is improper fraction is equals to whole is multiplied with denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Okay. So from this you can find out the improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay. Now we will discuss lowest or simplest form of a fraction. Suppose 36 upon 54. Now we have to reduce it. Okay. So first we have to choose a smallest number that divide these two numbers. So we can choose 2. Yes, 36 is divisible by 2 as well as 54 is also divisible by 2. Okay. So answer is 18 upon 27. Now again we have to find the smallest number that divided by 18 as well as 27. So yes, this is the 3. Okay. So 3 6 are 18, then 9 are. Okay. Again it is divisible by 3, both numbers. So answer is 2 by 3. Now it cannot be divided by any number. Okay. So this is the lowest form of a fraction. Clear? Now there are other method to convert into simplest or lowest form. Suppose for same example 36 upon 54. Now you can find the factor of 36. So it can be written as 2 is multiplied by 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay, then 54. So it can be written as 2 is multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3. Now from this 3 it will be cancelled, 3 and 3 and 2 and 2. So what will be remaining? 2 upon 3. Okay, so this is the second method to convert the lowest form. Okay. Now next topic is comparison of fraction. So there are two types of fraction, like or unlike. So first we will learn comparison of like fractions. It will be very easy because we have to only compare the numerator. Suppose I am writing 1 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 3 upon 8. Okay. So suppose we are arranged in ascending order. Okay. So for ascending order it means small to big. So 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. Okay. Then comparison of unlike fraction. In this unlike fraction there are two methods to compare the fractions. First method is cross multiplication method. Second method is LCM method. Now suppose 2 upon 6 and 3 upon 5 is given. Okay. Now we have to compare these two fractions. So we have to cross multiply these two fractions. So this denominator goes to there and this will be there. So 5 2s are 10 and 6 3s are 18. So which product are greater? 18. It means 2 upon 6 is less than 3 upon 5. Now same example we have to solve by LCM method. So 2 upon 6, or it can be written as 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3, 3 upon 5. So take LCM, 5 or 3? Yes. LCM will be 15 because these two numbers are prime numbers. So LCM is equals to product of these two prime numbers. So LCM will be 15. Okay. Now we have to make denominator equal to the LCM. So we have to multiply it by 5 here and as well as in the numerator. So here 5 and it will be 3. So 3 3s are 9. Now we have to compare the numerator only. Which one is greater? 9 upon 9 is greater. So we can say that this fraction is greater than the other. So 1 upon 3 is less than 3 upon 5. When you are ordering or compare more than two fractions, so it will be better you to choose LCM method. Okay. Suppose two fractions is given for the comparison, so you can choose either cross multiplication method or LCM method. But more than two fraction, so you can choose only LCM method. It will be easier.